Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. It's as official as it can get. Extended parking lot sale going on this weekend, Friday through Sunday, August 21st to the 23rd. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping, maybe becoming a channel member. And let's just go ahead and jump in. We were just waiting for official confirmation. I think we had heard unofficial confirmation, but now these are up. And we'll go over some of the highlights and some of the things that you can grab while maybe if you're going in, maybe if you needed that second chance at the parking lot sale. Just a reminder, 7 days of super deals is also going on this weekend. So there's a double overlap. We have a good idea of what they're going to be. We just went over that video yesterday, but we just need the percentages off. So as soon as we have those, I will go over them. But just know you're going to have some 7 days of super deals and you can have your second chance at the parking lot sale. So we'll go over this if you're somehow missed, maybe if you were on Mars for a little bit. 35% off all Quinn hand tools. Excellent deal. Excellent deal. Valid in store while supplies last. Valid the 21st through the 23rd. You will need a coupon to be able to use this. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Excludes Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, gift cards. Other restrictions may apply. Now we'll get back to that. Of course, we have 25% off all US General and Franklin carts. This is a solid deal. Mechanic service, tech table, and utility. Same verbiage. And then, of course, we have our Icon. 30% off all torque wrenches and breaker bars. And some of the HARBROs, all you did was get your split beam, which is fine. That's a successful parking lot sale. Even if all you got was a split beam, that's fantastic. And then, of course, 40% off all clamps. When I went in to get my haul, which I just also reviewed, the clamps were relatively full. All Bremen. Didn't even look for the Pittsburgh Bremen. If the Bremen clamps were there, I assume the Pittsburgh clamps were there. But the shelves were full at one of my stores. So 40% off all clamps. May the stocking lords be on your side at Harbor Freight. 40% off all clamps. Pretty straightforward. I wanted to get some, but I have no reason to get one unless there's like creative things you're using for them. I don't do any word working or anything like that. But they were so in stock that I wanted to pull the trigger on one, but I did not. So those are the main deals. Of course, we have the kits. I got into the Bauer kit and I got the hedge trimmer. So we're going to see how that works out this weekend. Of course, though, Hercules starter kit for 120 bucks. Your choice of a free tool, and then same for Bauer. Although I think the Bauer in this case, at least mathematically, is a better deal because it has a starter kit for 100 bucks. But that's the old price, at least at my on my website. It shows this has gone up to $110 for the starter kit for Bauer, which is crazy. Up to a $90 value for the tools. Choose from 11 tools. And then I'm just going to highlight some of the just friendly reminder coupons, must grabs. Hardy, I grabbed a pair or a box of these 9mm nitrile powder free gloves, 50 pack, $8.49. 50% off. It's a crazy deal. I think most of the HARBROs are stocking up on gloves. Icon 10mm socket set, 4-piece, 50% off. So if you're in store this weekend, whether it's for the super days, super deals, or for the parking lot sale, solid option to just pick up for $4.98. 10mm socket set, 4-piece. Then, of course, the other Hardy gloves available in 4 colors. We have the 5mm and the 7mm. 50% off for the 7mm, 54% off for the 5mm, 100 pack of gloves. So that's a solid deal. And then we will take a look at, this isn't confirmed. Once tomorrow hits, HARBROs, let me know. Come back and comment. Let the other HARBROs know. We have instant savings, new instant savings. The Quinn plier set, 4-piece, 22 bucks. It's 12% off, which on its own, not that great of a deal. But with 35% off all hand tools, there's a chance this will stack. Now, of course, according to the fine print, it shouldn't stack, but there's no harm in trying, and it would be a great discount because you'd be getting, now I'm going to do it in, let's just use a calculator. Why was I going to write it out? 22 bucks at 35% off. Get down to $14.30. So this would be $14.30, like I just said. So that would be an excellent discount. So, of course, again, as soon as maybe I'll give it a shot. I'm not doing anything Friday morning. Maybe. I'll take some time off. We'll see if that stacks. Be great for some pliers. And then, not as exciting, but somewhat still, we'll still review it. 40% off all clamps. We have a couple of clamps in the instant savings. Now, the savings aren't as great, but 11% off the 2.5-inch spring clamp from Pittsburgh. And then 20% off already the 1-inch steel spring clamp. So these look a little bit more sturdy. 20% off. Excellent. And so now it goes down to $1.20 for the steel clamp. And you're getting that at 40% off. Get it for 72 cents. So maybe it makes sense to pick up a few of these at 72 cents. That's excellent. 72 cents. And then this clamp, which looks like it's just a bigger one of the mini clamps. Just not, I guess not mini. $1.49. 40% off. Get it down to 89 cents. Let's just say get it for 90 cents. So there's some options for your clamps. Get a bit bigger of a discount. And then just some reminders of some of the other deals that are going on. 37% off right now. The US General 25-pound magnetic hooks down to $5. Excellent deal. We mentioned this as well. The Doyle professional flip utility knife, $8. 20% off, not bad. I mean, 20% off is solid. We'll take that every day compared to Milwaukee. Again, we just picked up the Gordon, but looking to pick this one up, $8. Excellent. I think I picked this up for our Build-A-Bag that we did a few months ago. I'm gonna make a video for that soon, where we give that away. $8, 20% off. Mini pick and hook set is down to $1 right now. Solid pickup if you just need to fill out the toolbox. Gordon folding lockback utility knife, $4, 42% off. That's a tough one to pass up, especially if you're in need of a utility knife. Not a bad one to get. And then just a reminder of some of the ITC that's going on. That if you're in store, something to consider. 41% off the US General 1/4-inch magnetic socket holders, sub $10. 33% off the Pittsburgh 3-pound neon orange dead blow hammer. And then 41% off the 16-inch tool bag from Hercules with 6 pockets, $9.94. Comfort Grip knee pads at an amazing price. Pick these up for one of your loved ones, $6.98. Maybe pick them up for your favorite stripper, 3-in-1 multi-purpose stripper, crimper, cutter, $3.98, 43% off. And a Storehouse portable storage case at $3.99, 42% off. And then some items for the garden. These are items that I'm considering picking up. $9.98 for the 22-inch hedge shears, which we just got the hedge trimmer, so I don't know if I need these, but at $9.98, 47% off. It seems absolutely crazy. Crazy of a deal, hard to pass up. And then the 46-inch fiberglass handle drain spade at $9.96. Anyways, those are the deals going on right now. We'll have a chance at all of these this weekend for the extended parking lot sale. Pick up some gloves if you haven't. And then, while we're waiting for them, hopefully all the deals and percentages off will be out tonight. And I can get those to you. 7 days of super deals. Like, share, comment, subscribe so you know what they'll be. And you don't have to go around searching anything. You'll just get a notification for when the video's up. Anyways, I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Extended parking lot sale confirmed August 21st to the 23rd. Crazy weekend because it's going to overlap with the 7 days of super deals. And there's just some great deals going on right now for items that you should pick up. Anyways, I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. Please consider liking and subscribing. We're almost at 30,000 subscribers. If we can get there this weekend, absolutely amazing. You guys are studs and studettes. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.